Hi and welcome to Office Fluent. My name is Jan and today we have another episode of Excel from Basics to Expert. And today we're going to take a look at the filter function. Filters are very useful in Excel. Like very useful, because often you have very big tables with information and you need to find information that's relevant for you at this time. So let's jump right in. And the easiest option to filter anything is just to mark the titles and then click here in the Home tab on Sort and Filter, click on Filter and you're done. It's easy as that. And now you have these little arrows here next to all the headlines. So if, for example, we wanted to search this whole table here and it's like 500 and something lines. We wanted to filter only for the night shift. We can click on Shift here on this button and then we have Filter. And here we can select afternoon, day and night. I deselect afternoon and day, click on OK, and now we only have the night shifts left. A filter is never deleting data from a table. So you can see on the right here, we have line 1, 9, 12, 15, 20, and you can see like very slight double lines between the numbers. These are the lines where information is hidden because Excel just hides the information you don't want to see. And now that we have only the night shift, we only want information about the year 2021. So here in year, I can do the same. Click on year, click on filter, and select only 2021. And again, a lot of data is being hidden. And now we have here 150, 153, and so on. So everything before 150 seems was the wrong year. And you can see that our table is a lot shorter now. Not 500 elements, but maybe 50. If you want to clear all the filter you set, you can click on Sort and Filter and then on Clear. And again, we have all lines back and all filters have been cleared. So this is probably the easiest way to just filter through things. But what else can we do? For example, let's take a look at the incident cost. I want to see only the workplace incidents that have no costs with them. So I can click here, can click on number filters and can say, let's go with less than 1. And now you can see all the incidents that are left are none, because nothing is less than 1 if it has any cost attached. And on the other hand, I can also clear the filters, by the way, from the drop down here directly. I have the option to filter for colors. And you can see I already have marked a few things here. This is just a conditional formatting for everything where the incident cost is above 3,000. And now I can click on any of these rows and say custom sort. So now I have options to sort by different values. So for example, I can sort by, let's take the, what did I click on? Report type. Sort on cell color, select the one color I use and say these should be on top. And now with one click, I have only the incidence costs here on top. And below that, you can see that we have the normal table still sorted from January to the newest towards the bottom. And this time, this is not really a filter function, but a sort. So on the other hand, you can just get back to your original view by sorting here the date from oldest to newest, which it was from the beginning. Next week, we will take a look at special filters. This is also a function which goes a little bit more in depth, but I really hope you got something out of the normal filter functions. Try them out, they're really useful, especially if you have big tables. Like most things in Excel, the functions get more interesting if you have a lot of data. Alright, thank you very much for watching. I hope you have a great day. Please leave a like if you liked the video, or don't if you didn't. Please subscribe if you want to learn more, and see you next week. Bye.